Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. It is Friday. We're back at it today. Starting with SPY. So yesterday we were kind of just seeing if this resistance would hold. Looks like it is. And looks like price is moving back down. It looks like it's making a lower low than what was made back here. So yeah, I think we may be dumping down to this next support zone here. But yeah, we'll keep watching. If it does reach the support, could look at maybe a possible bounce. So maybe a little long there. But I wouldn't do anything too crazy there. In terms of profit target. Because it's kind of just meandering sideways for the past like 6 months or so. So anyway, we'll jump over here to Bitcoin. We did have a pretty big sell-off yesterday. Couldn't quite break this resistance zone here, but today we're looking like we're having another run at it. So I kind of thinking it'll take another test, and we'll see from there if it can break it or not. If it does, definitely looking at placing a long on the retest of that zone. Nothing else for crypto. I'll just jump right into FOREX. This one is actually from yesterday, but you can see this zone's holding once again. This has been a nice little channel to trade in for me. I got short there, 2 longs here. Could have pulled off another short here, potentially, if it heads back down this way. But yeah, this little middle zone you gotta be careful of. It's been giving me grief with these trades, just bouncing off of it. So anyway, EURCHF, this one is looking like it's wanting to head up. Yeah, I don't know if it's ever gonna reach my profit target. Just curious if it's another one of those that would have been successful at as a 1-to-1. It is. So I'll have to log that in my spreadsheet. Trying to keep track of risk to reward ratios on trades, and seeing what percentages are successful or not. So just trying to get better idea of how profitable I can make my trades. And yeah, your NZD, this one just kind of ignored the zone altogether, to be honest. Like, just zigzagged all over it. So yeah, it's just a unfortunate loser there. I did get close-ish to my profit target. I thought it'd be good since it, is kind of down here at these lows. I thought it might reach that, but it didn't. So unfortunate, but it was happening at GBP CHF. Another one of those dumb little middle zones that keep my price down. But yeah, we'll keep holding on to it. GBP, JPY, seeing if this zone can hold. It's having another run at it. It looks like. So we'll see. I mean, this wasn't the best short in the world, considering these higher lows. You kind of got this wedge shape. Usually means it's gonna pop over this zone. So just thought I could catch another bounce and just hit my profit real quick, but I may not do that. USD JPY, this one almost triggered my stop loss. It's heading back down for now. We'll see if it can fall down enough to actually hit my profit. Gold hasn't triggered into my trade yet, but it is having another run up. So we'll see if that gets triggered. Euro CAD, waiting for this candle to close in 10 minutes. If it does, I'll put this trade in. as it'll break that zone. And finally, NZCAD. This one's coming down to test this pretty well-defined zone here. Other than that, but yeah, it's been used as support and resistance in the past, so I figured it'd be a good, hopefully a good bounce. So even though it is in a downtrend, but like even here when it came down and hit it, had a pretty good bounce. So anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you've been trading down in the comments, and hit that like and subscribe on the way out. Thanks for watching.